Hi guys, and welcome to the trade-off. If you haven't subscribed or seen any of the videos, then please click the subscribe below in the bottom right corner and watch my journey as I've grown this account already from $1,052 to $1,573 just using this one strategy called the Strat 93. So if you want to find out more, then there is plenty of other videos. I'll put one above and some at the end for you to watch and see the Strat in motion. The other exciting thing that I have also, guys, is a prize draw at the end of June, in which I am willing to teach one person the entire Strat 93, how to set up, how to get in, how to get out, etc, etc. All you have to do is subscribe, so please get to start watching some of these videos, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you can be entered into the prize draw for that as well. So I've been doing now the Strat 93 on my real account since March, and already grown 50% to date, which is absolutely phenomenal, and that's just in 1 month, guys. We're in our second month now. We started in the 4th of March and we are now in April, which is great. And again, this is my now 14th trade. I am in trade 13 and 14 at the moment still. I'm still in the Aussie New Zealand dollar, and I've just got into the pound NOK, which is this one right now. So far, every single one's been really profitable. It's been fantastic, not one single negative trade, and you can follow every single trade up to date. And also, you know, I just want to prove to you guys, there's my account number again. It's 10,29636. It's a live account. I want to show you and make sure you guys get that, and it's not changed accounts. I've not duped you or anything. And you can also see my account size is 1,573 as said, and as I've finished up on my last trade. And like I say, I'm already in the Aussie New Zealand, which is on another video, and the pound NOK as well. So the Aussie New Zealand, I think we got in that Friday, and we're still in it now, so it's taken a bit of a while to come to fruition, but you know, overall we're up a couple of quid, sort of 5-6 quid, which is great. But yeah, we've just started the pound NOK, and what I'm going to do, guys, is just to show you and make sure that you guys are aware. As you know, we got in now. As soon as we get in, we also need to set up the next level, the next boundary. So I've got a 0.04 in here, and I'm just going to add another one here at 0.08. It's another buy limit, and we're going to set our price. It's at 140 is where I got in, guys. So I'm going to just make sure that I set this up now to 10,990. Next. Okay, done. I will set up my stop loss as well while I'm here. So again, as you guys know, if you've been watching any of these things, it's 200 pips below, which is not that. 790. Done. We'll set up our take profit once I see where the mean is. So that's all done, guys, and as you can see here, if I change to an hour chart and zoom out, you'll be able to see oh no, set that up all wrong. I will come back to you on that one, guys. I've actually set that up completely wrong. The buy limit at 11,137. Yeah, so I've set that up at 10.99, which is ridiculous. It's not that at all. Let me modify that. It is 11 as well. It's only 50 pips lower, guys, so do apologize for that. 0, 9, 0 next. So yeah, again, you know, obviously I'll have to change this as well. I'll do that at another point anyway, guys. I won't bore you with that. Modify that so at least I get in on time. I'll show you where that is now. There you go. It's just 50 pips below, and hopefully it will come down, hit that, and then come back up to this sort of support area here. So I'm hoping it will go down and boom, straight back up here, and we'll get out around about here, guys. So yeah, again, guys, keep watching this, keep seeing me grow, and we'll be back when the stat completes. All right.
Hi guys, we are back and we are out. As you can see, I don't know why it's left my take profit in there, but it just shows you I've just literally got out where the spike finished, which was, I mean, what an exit point. That's just fantastic. I mean, our entry point was okay. It was not bad. It's about 12 pips from the bottom. We ended up on 140, so we entered in there. 140 there, so you know the bottom there was 125, so we were about 15 pips away from the absolute bottom, and it turned around, came in our favor, and got us out the top here, which is absolutely amazing. 3%, guys. Again, 3% growth. It's only one entry point in. It's the initial entry point, and we were straight in profit pretty much straight away. And you got out literally today. So let me show you the trade history. As you can see, so far it's just been unbelievable in terms of this sort of month. Just today, again, like I said, I got in at 140, as you can see, 11,140 there, and got out at 210. So, it's a decent 70 pips there, guys, that we've just made with an initial entry. It's 3% growth on the account, which is brilliant. And as you can see, custom period, just to prove to you guys that this really is working fantastically well. So far, £552 profit this month and last month up to date. So we're doing really, really well, guys. Again, now that's another 3%, so that's 53% growth in the last 2 months. We did 50 last month. This is our first trade finishing this month, and we're doing exceptionally well. We're still in the trade here for Aussie New Zealand dollar. We need to get rid of obviously our buy limits now in pound DKK and pound NOK, because they've gone up the other way. And we just need to ride this Aussie New Zealand dollar down, and once that's come into some nice profit and hit our line that we need it to come to, we will get out of that with a nice profit, hopefully, and finish this week nice and high. I mean, we started the week on 1573, and we just need to get this up to sort of 1,650, which would be great. So it'd be like a decent 80 pound profit at the end of this week, which would be fab. 8% sort of growth, really. But anyway, this is the trade-off, guys. Doing fantastically well here. If you do want to subscribe or see any of the other things that we're doing, then give me a shout.